owl become wise, not because of many years, but because there is a structured approach that he takes. And if I start taking you through that structured approach, you're going to be extremely bored. Because every step of the structured approach would say, हाँ ये तो हम करते हैं, problem identification करना है, of course we do it, yeah. Then we look at all the and we do analysis, yeah, of course we do that. Then we look at what are the options. So we're doing this all the time, but somewhere we lose the focus of the fact that there are certain other things that our mind stops us from doing. And it's not because the minds are bad, it's because the mind is too busy doing so many other things that the mind starts taking only one route. And we are all going to discover that what is that one standard route that my mind takes and what is the other route that my mind should be taking. And this spoiling of art that happens, no, I always take this route, I don't like to take this route. It comes from our education, it comes from the background that we come from. So, a lot of engineers here? Majority would be engineers or technology background from a science perspective, from a chemical perspective. So, you know, we get spoiled by saying, I'm very logical. Everything has to be follow an analytical route for me, right? Yeah, I'm not an artist, I'm not a painter, singer that, you know, I can bring in the creative side of it. So we keep the creative side of it. And then our mind starts thinking only on the lines of logic. So those are all the things which we have got spoiled by. And that is why organizations have to do a program for problem solving and decision making. Otherwise we are doing it all the time. So my promise to you while I'm saying that this is a very heavy program is that I've tried to make it extremely interactive. So we will be looking at small issues, problems, and we are going to get into groups and constantly solve them. Some of them would be in the form of simple puzzles and riddles. Some of them would be a little more complex. And then towards the end of the day, we go into a problem of the organization. And then we start analyzing it on the same lines. Yeah? The program will not be heavy, but it requires your participation. So while every 1.5 hours I give a break, because I know you can't make adults sit for so long. They have to get up. We are all used to getting up, going at least for a cup of coffee or a cigarette or something like that. You can't sit in one place. So one promise, there is no binding on you. Every 1.5 hours we take a break. And besides that, if we keep it interactive, then you will not take more. Yeah? Because I know that you're taking one day off from work. Minds are there. That email, that call, that thing that you have to attend to. So we try to keep it crisp, quick, and interactive. Is that okay? Yes. Oof, that's a lot of things that I spoke. I'd like to start, before we go into introduction, with a very nice line which you must have read somewhere or heard somewhere. This